Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking shawarma to the next level, all from scratch. If you love homemade goodness, stick around because this shawarma, you want to make it over and over again. Let's get started.
She be cooking with love. Stir it up in the pot. Boiling over the top. And I cannot get enough. I can't get enough. She be cooking with love. 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 Stir it up in the pot. Boiling over the top. And I cannot get enough. She be cooking with love. 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 Stir it up in the pot. Boiling over the top. And I cannot get enough. I can't get enough. She be cooking with love. 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 Stir it up in the pot. Boiling over the top. And I cannot get enough. She be cooking with love. 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 Stir it up in the pot. Boiling over the top. And I cannot get enough. I can't get enough. She be cooking with love. She be cooking with love. She be cooking with love. She be cooking with love.
And that's it for today's shawarma recipe. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share with someone who loves good food. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.